In this video, I'll talk about how you can do a stop loss on Webull. Now you wanna open your account and make sure you have an account, and then you can use either the app or the website. But what you wanna do is you wanna find where you wanna put a stop loss. So if it's on your, let's say it's Apple stock, you wanna select the Apple stock. And once you've selected the stock, you wanna click on sell and then click stop loss. Now that's basically how it works. If you wanna make a stop loss on the sell, or you can also make a stop loss on buy if you're trading it. But you just want to select the one that you want to do and then click on stop loss. Now once you've done that, what you can do is enter the stop price where you want it to be active. And once you've done that, it will then be selected. So that is how it works. Now once you've made a stop loss, it basically means as soon as it hits the stop loss, it's automatically gonna sell your order. So that is how it works. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.